I'm going to show you how to solve the quadratic equation with the quadratic formula. The equation is 2x squared plus 5x equals 25. And first you want to set the equation equals 0. And so 2x squared plus 5x minus 25 equals 0. And because you have a minus 25 from the original equation, you get on there, so the equal sign. And then second, you're going to want to identify a, b, and c in this equation. X squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And a is 2, b is 5, and c is negative 25, as you can see. And then third, you're going to want to solve using the quadratic formula, and that's you just input those a, b, and c values into x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And then you simplify, so you plug in x equals negative 5 plus or minus square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 25 divided by 2 times 2. And as you can see, it's x equals negative 5 plus or minus 25 plus 200 divided by 4. And here are the two values you get to do that. And then you're going to divide or split those into two separate equations because of the plus or minus sign. You have to have a positive and a negative one. And x equals negative 5 plus 15 divided by 4 simplifies to 10 over 4, which simplifies to 2.5. And then x minus 5 minus 15 divided by 4. X equals negative 20 divided by 4, which equals negative 5. And then you're going to want to check that it's right by plugging the solutions back into the original equations. So it's 2 times 2.5 squared plus 5 times 2.5 equals 25, so it checks. And then 2 times negative 5 squared plus 5 times negative 5 also equals 25, so it checks. And the solutions are x equals 2.5 and x equals negative 5. Thank you. I'll show you how to solve by completing the square. And here's our equation, x squared plus 12x plus 32 equals 0. And first you're going to want to subtract that 32 onto the other side of the equal sign. So you get x squared plus 12x equals negative 32. And then second, you want to find c. And to find c, you divide 12x by 2, and then you square that, which is 6 squared, which equals 36. So c is 36. And then third, you add perfect square to both sides, which is the 36. So x plus 12x plus 36 equals negative 32 from up here, plus 36 that we add up to both sides. You can see that. And then after that, you're going to factor, and 36 and 12 factors out to x plus 6, and x plus 6 equals 4. And then you get x plus 6 squared equals 4. So, fifth, you want to solve for x, and then square root both sides. So, you're going to square root x plus 6, which equals x plus 6, and then you want to square root 4, which is plus or minus 2. And then you split up the equations, so you have two equations, and you solve. So, x plus 6 equals negative 2. What plus 6 equals 2? Negative 4 plus 6 equals 2. And then x plus 6 equals negative 2. Negative 8 plus 6 equals negative 2. And then 7. You're going to want to check the solutions by plugging them back into your original equation. So you're going to have negative 4 squared plus 12 times negative 4 plus 32 equals 0. And 16 plus, and that simplifies to 16 plus negative 48 plus 32 equals 0. 0 equals 0, checks. So one solution is x equals negative 4. And then the second one will be negative 8 squared plus 12 times negative 8 plus 32 equals 0. And that simplifies to 64 plus negative 96 plus 32 equals 0. 0 equals 0. X equals negative 8. And so your solutions are going to be negative 4. So that means the solutions are negative 4 and negative 8.